I still don't know what happened to my son. I'm old now and need closure before I go.
Bollywood actress Karishma Kapoor was recently spotted at the Delhi airport, stepping out quietly with her children, Samaira and Kian. The actress, known for her understated style, kept her appearance simple and elegant, walking ahead while her children followed closely behind. However, her visit has raised eyebrows due to its timing. It comes amid a reported legal dispute over the 30,000 crore rupees estate left behind by her ex-husband, Sanjay Kapoor, who passed away in June this year. According to reports, Sanjay died after suffering a cardiac arrest caused by accidentally swallowing a bee during a polo match. His last rites were held in Delhi. As speculation grew regarding Karishma's possible involvement in the inheritance of Sanjay's vast fortune, a source close to the family issued a statement firmly denying any such involvement. Karishma Kapoor is not involved in any inheritance or property-related matters, said the family source. She has no claim, nor is she seeking any share in the estate. Her only concern is the well-being and future of her children. Karishma and Sanjay were married in 2003 and parted ways in 2016 after a troubled relationship. They share two children, Samaira and Kian, who, according to the source, are the rightful heirs to Sanjay's fortune. The children will receive what is due to them, the source added. Karishma's focus remains entirely on them. Adding further intrigue to the situation, Sanjay's mother, Rani Kapoor, has spoken out with serious concerns about the circumstances of her son's death. In a statement, she revealed her ongoing distress and a lack of closure.
I still don't know what happened to my son. I'm old now and need closure before I go. I may be old and frail now, but my memory of being with my husband when Sona was set up is strong. I remember the early days of Sona, built with care, sacrifice and love. I am here to remind the world that our family legacy must not be lost. It must be passed on as my husband always wanted to be. Given my health and my age, I will not be making any further comments. My legal team will address everything necessary.
Amid all the public speculation and legal drama, Karishma Kapoor has remained silent, choosing not to comment and instead focusing on her role as a mother. Meanwhile, it has also come to light that Priya Sachdeva, late Sanjay Kapoor's wife, has legally changed her name to Priya Sanjay Kapoor and updated her bio to non-executive director at Sona Comstar. In the midst of personal loss, public speculation, and a high-stakes inheritance dispute, Karishma Kapoor has chosen to stay away from the drama, focusing solely on her children's well-being. As questions continue to swirl around Sanjay Kapoor's sudden death and his estate, the actress's dignified silence speaks volumes. What was meant to be a quiet dinner outing turned into a full-blown paparazzi moment, reigniting dating rumors between Samantha Ruth Prabhu and filmmaker Raj Nidhimuru. In a now viral video, Raj is seen glaring at the paparazzi through the car window before driving off, with Samantha seated calmly beside him. Samantha, as always, handled the moment with her signature calm and confidence, but it was Raj's visibly displeased reaction that stole the spotlight and sparked fresh buzz about their alleged relationship. For the dinner, Samantha kept it chic and effortless in a white and navy striped full-sleeve sweater. She styled her soft curls to one side and went for a makeup-free glow, pairing the look with a black handbag and delicate bracelets. Raj kept it laid back in an olive green jacket, black cap, and a serious expression, which has now become a major topic online. Recently, Samantha posted photos from her trip to Detroit, Michigan, where she attended the Tana 2025 event. Eagle-eyed fans noticed Raj appearing in multiple frames, including one notably intimate picture where his arm is affectionately wrapped around her. This, of course, only added more fuel to the rumor mill. The two first worked together on Citadel, Honey Bunny, which Raj co-directed with Krishna DK. Since then, their off-screen chemistry has sparked ongoing speculation, with fans and media closely watching their bond grow. According to reports, Raj and Samantha have been exploring properties together with plans to move in. The source also revealed that Raj officially divorced his wife Shamali in 2022 and later found love in Samantha after their Citadel collaboration. However, Samantha's manager has denied the moving in rumors, saying the rumors are untrue. As the buzz continues, one thing's for sure, fans are watching every move. Will they go public or continue to keep it private? At a Delhi fashion show, debutants Rasha Thadani and Ibrahim Ali Khan stole the spotlight as showstoppers for the renowned designer JJ Wallia and quickly became the talk of the town. The duo walked hand in hand on the ramp with incredible poise, earning widespread praise from fashion lovers and netizens alike. Rasha wore a statement black lehenga with intricate gold and multi-hued embroidery. The sheer blouse paired with a bralette added a touch of contemporary edge, while her dupatta was draped cape style, letting the craftsmanship of the outfit truly shine. Ibrahim matched her regal vibe perfectly in a classic black velvet sherwani with Pathani-style bottoms, a timeless and elegant look. Social media quickly exploded with positive reactions to Rasha's graceful ramp presence. One user wrote, "So confident, so elegant, Rasha slaying on ramp." Another said, "Her walk is so much better than Sara and Janhvi." And a third added, "She is literally better than most actresses of her age." This praise comes just a day after Sara Ali Khan and Khushi Kapoor faced criticism for their ramp walks, with viewers calling their performances disinterested. This sparked fresh online debates about the difference between models and Bollywood actors on the runway. Even Janhvi Kapoor, who showed improvement in her recent appearance for Jayanti Reddy, has often faced scrutiny for her walk in past shows. Against this backdrop, Rasha's poised and confident debut felt like a breath of fresh air to many. The showstopper moment with Rasha and Ibrahim perfectly blended tradition and modernity, bringing the collection to life with style and grace. This duo has certainly set a new standard on the ramp, and fashion enthusiasts can't wait to see more.
Big news from the world of Bollywood. The first song from War 2 is finally out and it's already making waves. Starring Hrithik Roshan, Junior NTR and Kiara Advani, War 2 is one of the most awaited films of the year, and now the makers have dropped the first song, Aama Jawa, a breezy love track that is stealing hearts already. What makes this release extra special? It dropped on Kiara Advani's birthday. Yash Raj Films shared the song on X with a sweet message. Feel the love, feel the music, groove to the beats of Aama Jawa because it's our favorite Kiara Advani's birthday today. Song out now, War 2 releasing in Hindi, Telugu and Tamil on August 15 in cinemas worldwide. The track marks the reunion of the iconic Kesariya team, director Ayan Mukherjee, singer Arijit Singh, composer Preetham and lyricist Amitabh Bhattacharya. Joining them is Nikita Gandhi, adding her magic to the vocals. With this powerhouse combo, it's no surprise fans are calling it the next chartbuster. What truly sets Aama Jawa apart is its visual appeal. The song captures Kabir, Hrithik and Kavya Kiara in a whirlwind romance set against breathtaking locations. Vibrant outfits and dreamy chemistry. And yes, the internet is buzzing about Kiara's first ever bikini shot, which is already going viral. Hrithik Roshan added to the emotions by sharing the song with this line, "Once upon a time, Kabir had hope, joy and love, #Aama Jawa out now." Reports suggest the song is part of a flashback sequence, giving fans a glimpse into Kabir and Kavya's love story. Directed by Ayan Mukherjee, War 2 is all set to hit theatres worldwide on August 14. It's the 6th film in Vairaf's spy universe, and with Hrithik's charm in the north and Junior NTR's fan base in the south, this one is expected to be a mega blockbuster. So have you watched Aama Jawa yet? Let us know in the comments.
Bollywood's power couple Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor have finally completed their grand 6-story bungalow in Bandra, Mumbai. Reportedly worth a staggering 250 crore rupees, the home, named Krishna Raj, is a tribute to Kapoor family legacy. Originally owned by Ranbir's grandparents, the legendary Raj Kapoor and Krishna Raj Kapoor, the property has undergone years of redevelopment and is now ready to welcome its next generation. According to reports, the bungalow will be registered in the name of their daughter, Raha Kapoor, making her the heir to one of Mumbai's most iconic addresses. This move cements the family's intent to pass down legacy, tradition, and stardom wrapped in bricks and dreams. On the day of the final touches and possible shifting, actress Alia Bhatt was spotted arriving at the premises. In a candid moment captured on camera, she was seen stepping out of her luxurious black Range Rover. Dressed in casual athleisure wear, a white tank top paired with high-waisted blue leggings, Alia looked effortlessly chic. Her hair was tied back in a neat bun, and she held a white tumbler in hand. The actress seemed relaxed, opting for a no-makeup look, maintaining her signature minimal style. A few staff members, including a man in a light blue shirt, were also seen around the vehicle, possibly part of her security or household team. Interestingly, veteran actress and Ranbir's mother Neetu Kapoor was also spotted at the site, further confirming the buzz that the family is finally moving into their dream home. The setting outside the newly built Krishna Raj bungalow exudes privacy, luxury, and warmth, reflecting the modern yet rooted personalities of Alia and Ranbir. As the Kapoor Bhatt family gears up to begin a new chapter in this iconic property, fans eagerly await more glimpses of the interiors and how this home will shape the early memories of little Raha.
नीतू जी, आलिया जी, दोस्त, ब्लू शर्ट, अन्ना, अन्ना ब्लू शर्ट।